Enmin for over 40 years has been providing materials handling solutions to the food and allied industries. And today our customers include most of Australia's leading food industry manufacturers. Our equipment has established a reputation for exceptional quality, reliability, and durability. We have a clear mission to boost our customers' production line productivity and efficiency, reduce operator workload, minimise wastage, and improve safety. One of our key benefits is that our design and manufacturing facilities are right here in Australia. Every customer has different needs. One of our core strengths is to listen to what they are aiming to achieve and then design and build equipment that will provide the best solution. Being a locally based business means we can see firsthand a customer's existing setup and ensure any new equipment blends seamlessly into their production line. And we're on call throughout the design, build and installation process to provide full support and respond quickly to any questions and additional requests. Our range of specialised vibratory equipment can align, spread, sprinkle, size, sort, move and accumulate a wide variety of products. Whether it's confectionery, nuts, biscuits, pasta, salads, snack food, pet food or pharmaceutical products, we'll be able to provide a solution. As an Australian manufacturer, keeping manufacturing in Australia is paramount to our company philosophy. Our highly skilled team will guarantee our customers receive the very best equipment. Over the years, we've evolved from building one-off custom-made equipment to designing and manufacturing a range of modular components which make up our new Generate Plus line. Our new Generate Plus modular systems slot easily into any production line and can be modified, extended and added to as the company's business evolves. The key benefit of modular design is that it eliminates equipment redundancy. People are often surprised just how extensive and diverse our range of equipment and services are. We manufacture a wide range of conveyors and fully contained operator platforms. We also offer turnkey electrical and automation services for plant and equipment. It gives me a real sense of pride when I watch our products leaving the factory. I'm not only confident the equipment is going to boost the customer's productivity, but I know for certain it's going to provide years of trouble-free operation.